Nature isn't peaceful. It's just quiet. A parasite that controls minds. A cute face, hiding venom. And survival strategies, darker than you think. Deep in the jungle, something is taking control. Not a predator, not a virus, but a fungus. It hijacks the ant's body, forcing it to climb higher and higher, until it stops exactly where the parasite wants it. Then it dies, and something else takes over. This might look harmless, even adorable, but the slow loris hides a dangerous secret. It produces venom from glands in its arms, and mixes it with its body. A defense mechanism, disguised behind a gentle face. Some animals don't run. They don't fight. They become something else entirely. The opossum shuts down its body, mimicking death so perfectly. Even predators lose interest. It survives by disappearing. In the ocean, intelligence can be deadly. Orcas don't just hunt. They plan. They work together, creating waves to knock prey into the water. Precision, coordination, strategy. This is not instinct alone. This is calculated. Not all threats come from predators. Some begin before life even starts. The cuckoo lays its egg in another bird's nest. When it hatches, it removes the competition, and the parent never knows the truth. Nature isn't always what it seems. Behind every calm moment, there's a story we don't see. Which one shocked you the most?